Hello everyone, my name is Bhavna. Here I am with my day 6 of Technotrade assignment. So I'd like to proceed with the questions. So the first question is create an account on Bitbucket and GitHub with company email ID. So I'd like to explain a little bit about Bitbucket. Bitbucket and GitHub both are source code management software. It is used in any particular project both by the automation tester and the developer. Like suppose a developer develops a code uh, and other developer develop first developer one develops a code for a particular page and develops a feature one, and another developer develops a feature two. So they cannot use the same code to do the changes. So they what they need to do is they need to clone the source code from the main repository or the remote repository, and then they need to create their own separate QA branch and dev branch, and then they can do the changes in the code, and then they can commit the code and push back it to the main repository while the time of deployment. So this is how Bitbucket functions for any particular project. So now I'd like to explain how to create an account on Bitbucket and GitHub with company email ID. So I'll go to the Chrome. Right, Bitbucket. I'll write the full name, sign up. So select all images with a fire hydrant. So it says that a verification link has been sent on the mail. So I'll check my mail. I need to refresh it. So here I have received the mail. Here it says verify your email. I need to create a strong password. Do the sign up. This username already exists. So yeah, accepts the username. So I'll skip the part. So here my Bitbucket account has been created. Now I'll do the same with GitHub. Sorry, I need to create a new account, right? So I'll do this. Continue. It has been verified. Now a code is sent to the email address. So I'll check the email. To refresh it, GitHub launch code. So here is the code. So yeah, here my GitHub account has been created. So I'd like to proceed with the second question. So second question is, what is the use of generating public key and private key when accessing Bitbucket code? So while accessing a Bitbucket code, a user needs to make sure that the code which has been stored in the Bitbucket repository is safe. So a user need to create a SSH key, which is basically a key pair of private key and public key. So the private key is only accessed by the user account, the account holder, and the public key is for the remote repository. So what it does is, public key is basically what it does, that it does the authentication before anybody else tries to get into the code of into the user's account. So this is how a public key and a private key is used in Bitbucket code. So this is all for today's assignment. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much.